Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another trading session. And today we'll be looking at some potential plays, low time frame, medium time frame, degen time frame like 1 minute, 3 minutes. We will trade whatever we find. If something is looking all right, we'll be going through those potential plays. If not, we will just speak about the current market status. We'll take some requests and we'll be having some fun. Let's make a coffee and then let's start trading. I already jumped into this long. It's a very risky scalp. It's on 1 minute. It's based on the swing failure of this low. Plus, I saw some confluences previously. If you go on 15 minutes, you can see that we have this kind of interesting pattern where the price is sweeping the previous low and then we have three equal highs here. So that makes me think that not necessarily will take the highs from this low, but you can see we have a FEG into daily open, so maybe we reject that area where I want to get risk free. I can see something like this happening. Yeah, and then go into the Monday low. But until then, it's a long story. I took this one with low risk. I only risk 0.25% to have some skin in the game. Nothing too shabby. Um, And then we'll be looking a little bit at Ethereum, what plans I have for the 4 hours, for the daily time frame. We'll be taking some chart requests and we'll be going on a weekly, daily time frame. Yeah, we'll be doing a lot of charting. Yeah, so prepare your ideas, prepare your time frames. You know the drill. You already know the drill. Okay, let's make a little coffee. Start start the morning as we should. Don't forget, please, if you really enjoy the live stream, either share the link, my post on X or PJ post from Crypto Traders Arena. I don't see it yet from CTA, but any post, it's fine. 1 second. Boom. Nice. All right. So you can share this link if you want. All right. Well, I took this trade. Initially, if I go on 1 minute, I was looking for a potential inverse head and shoulder here when I saw the swing failure. I expected that this left side will, right side will hold. This it was here when I posted the trade, and I wanted to give it some room, so I moved the stop loss at 95, 250. I had some ATR levels there for my stop loss, and I wanted to give it a more room. But anyway, it's a risky scalp. It's nothing too shabby here. Because in the end, I still expect the price to dump in the Monday low, which is this one. But I was looking for a quick play into these three equal highs. And if we are looking fib-wise, they are exactly in the golden pocket. So we have 61.8 into the golden pocket. The golden pocket, equal highs in the golden pocket, which is a very good confluence, which I'm using all the time. And I expect a rejection for this area here. If you are really good scalper, you can look for a swing failure of the equal highs and then short. If you are fast, yeah. Uh, First time tuning, Andre. Welcome here. Shout out to Andre. So we are making the plans. We are reviewing what I planned so far. Will be going on Ethereum. I'll be explaining what I expect on low time frame, then on medium time frame, then on high time frame. Then God knows where the live will take us. But definitely we'll have a good time, and maybe why not? We can make 1%, 2%. We can make some profits. Um, and if I'm looking at the 1 hour candle, yeah, I can see this hourly FEG. And this is why I'm looking for a partial take profit here. I already mentioned that on the VIP. Because most likely I can see an AB equals CD to the downside based on this aggressive move to the downside. We already have it here, but it's not completed. So I expect this structure to be actually ABC correction, but it's not completed because we have equal highs. That's why I was looking at an ABC with the C wave into the equal high sweep in the 61.8, then reject and take the Monday low. Something like this. Where are you? So, yeah, and take the liquidity in the 61.8, then complete this ABC pattern here with a dump in the 94,000. A little bit more complex, but this is how I'm planning everything before taking an action. Good morning, good morning. Hey Roy, hey Shogun, good morning guys. Yo, smash that follow that like button, guys. 31 people live here. Also, we can look at the potential inverse head and shoulder here, uh, bigger time frame. So something like this. That's why this low should be the last low. Yeah, the low should be, and that's what I want to say. We can get a retest of 61.8, 95, 400, or even lower, but that's nothing wrong. It can easily happen, or it can easily take my stop loss. That's trading. That's the life of a trader. But still aiming for these highs. Maybe it will happen uh, at New Year session. Who knows? Also, we can see it's monthly open, daily high, daily open, daily low. So, and then we have the previous week low, yeah, here, and previous day low. So weekly low and previous day low. Sorry. Uh, it will be interesting. Definitely, if you want to be trading higher time frame, it's not an area where you want to touch. Just my 2 cents. Here it's equilibrium, it's 0.5 fib. We have a short, which Paul explained in the yesterday New York trading session, from 98,000. Um, it's a shark setup. He explained why he took the setup with the bearish divergence on daily and stuff like that. But here we are on 1-3 minutes. We kind of play the low time frame. So you can be short on high time frame, which I am short on high time frame, and you can be long on low time frame easily. So you can be long and short in the same time and make money. But that's not something that I recommend to everyone, especially without a plan. Dennis says that I see bearish dips on 4-hour Bitcoin, but also hidden bull. Um, well, Dennis, PJ explained the bearish divergence on daily on the previous stream. If you watched that one, if not, I can let a link here. Go and see that one because he's speaking a lot about the overview on the daily time frame and the probabilities, what we can expect from a high time frame perspective uh, in the next period. I'll put a link here for daily crypto review. So daily crypto review 3 December. This is the one. Yeah. You were there. Well, he explained that. Yeah, so I won't reiterate what he said. Yeah, I'm thinking exactly like him. I mean, I'm trading along with him, so I learned from him. So I'm sharing the same opinion. Um, so nothing changed. The plan is still the same. I'm acting in the market. I'm executing in the market exactly like him. We share the same setups, the same opinions. You don't need to double check. Yeah, we have some bearish divergence, and if we go on daily, yeah, it can send us easily to 89,000. I'm 85,000. I mentioned this about this level for such a long time. We are already ranging, and if you go on weekly time frame, firstly we need to speak about 89,000 and then 85,000. These levels are very important. When they will happen, the dump to that level, nobody knows. Uh, that's why we need to play level by level. See, actually, the long gave you another entry if you wanted to take it. That's why you want to play the market level by level. You don't want to wait for, I don't know. I remember on 2022 when I started trading, people were saying Bitcoin will go to $5,000. And I was learning on that period. I was really new. And PJ was always mentioning, well, level by level, let's start buying here at 16,000. And it seems like buying 16,000 wasn't a bad idea after all, no? Because if you're trying to call different levels all the time and see that, okay, I will not touch this level, I will not touch this one, I'm waiting for that and for that one, you will be missing a lot of action from the market. You will be missing a lot of levels, a lot of potential profits and plays and stuff like that. That's why you want to, especially if you're a trader. I'm not saying that everyone should be a trader or is a trader, but if you want to be a trader, then you want to focus on a level by level kind of perspective. Make a plan each day, like Paul is doing the daily crypto review. Make a plan, execute your plan, and that's all. Um, get comfortable buying at uncomfortable levels in the bull season. Well, yeah, for some people, some levels might be uncomfortable, but if you have a plan, unsure, nothing is uncomfortable. Let's take a random example here. AR, for example, we are long from this level uh, because some people said, oh, it's too high, we will never touch it. Well, I said here to buy this one and look at it. I expect a 30 to 1 risk to reward. And I said that in the VIP that I'm expecting a 30 to 1 risk to reward from this trade. Let me people in that period said, ah, you're crazy. Well. Yeah, there you go. 80 point this one. Yeah, you're crazy. 84.9. Actually, it's a bit lower. The thing is that you will always find plays. You will always find setup. This was a lower time frame execution. So you will always find setups in the market. What you need to do is focus on level by level trading. That's the idea. Make a plan. Say, okay, I'll take that long and I will trail it that much or that much, or you get the idea. But it's very, very important to be able to create a plan and respect that damn plan. Yeah. Yeah, I know. I have a big spot bag on this one. I got a big spot bag on this one. This is just an example of the fact that uh, people might tend to say that it's an uncomfortable level or anything like that. Same stuff with Dia. We bought Dia here. For example, if I see this neckline broken, yeah, and for now it's resistance. It's logically we can see a dump here, for example, and pump here. I'm already long on Dia, but if you want to get a long, I think something like this wouldn't be a bad idea. Yeah, a long around here at 88 cents. You can frame um, you can frame the setups in 100 million ways. I see some potential equal lows here on say. Another good example, yeah. If it gets around here in my 61.8, maybe I'll consider taking this long. And my members from the VIP, they know I'm planning my setups with days ahead. Days. So usually I'm planning my setups with 5 days in advance. You can see these are the setups. I'm planning my setups with 1 week in advance. And then I just post them. I ask them to put a limit order. And you live with the results. Same like in AR, DIA. We have a nice long on Bell. Look at this one, same stuff. We have a nice long on Rune also. For example, I had a limit order here on ICX. Well, it didn't fill my limit order. Next bus, we don't ape randomly into coins. Same stuff with Spell here. Yeah, we have a nice long on TIA. I mentioned, even I posted on Twitter that the bottom should be in on TIA. I said it here at $4. The strongest asset that you have when you are trading, it's a plan, guys. The plan is the strongest asset that you have. Without a plan, you will never have a chance in this market. And as Paul said earlier, the plan is way smarter than me. Way, way, way smarter than me. And you might ask me, well, I don't have a plan. I don't know how to make a plan. Well, take advantage of the educational part because right now, Couple One has a really, really, really nice offer running. And you don't want to miss that. Exactly, patience, discipline, because it takes time. When you enter the VIP, you will see that along with quick scalps like this one on 3 minutes and 5 minutes, you'll see that I'm waiting for a trade like one week, and people are asking, well, still valid that trade? Yeah, it's still valid. Just have patience. It will be there. Grim Reaper. Exactly, Anshu. Plan everything and then execute. Can you look at PHA? I never heard of PHA. I heard of PHB. Yeah, I never heard of PHA. Let's see, weekly. Well, beautiful, beautiful weekly W. Man, beautiful weekly W. Call me crazy, but that's a weekly, beautiful weekly W. Take this one out. Buy it at the retest. Classic. So it's from Polkadot ecosystem. Interesting. I never heard of it. Maybe I should add it to my bag. It has a nice weekly W. I didn't saw it lately, so maybe I'll even put on Discord so Paul can add it to the weekly W's list. There's a lot of them, but yeah, it's looking good and has nice potential. And if we speak about chaos levels perspective, we have the first W, we can confirm the bigger one, and you get the idea. But it's looking nicely, definitely. Let's make a list with weekly W's like Paul has, and we can use them, post them. Investments. Yeah, so we already have this one. Nice double here. By the way, Bitcoin is doing some trickeries here. If you want to get in the trade, you still have time. So let's delete a bit here. So we should not invalidate this low. If my thesis is it's correct, we should not invalidate this low. So we should start holding this area on Bitcoin. Otherwise, we don't have the inverse head and shoulder triggered, and most likely it will hit the stop loss. So get the idea. Okay, DYDX. That Tether's Moonboy still bothers you. Well, there's a lot of Moonboys lately. I posted a scalp on Ethereum and I said that it will dump here, which is actually really close to the dump area. I said that it will dump just a little bit here, and everyone panicked. It was impossible to dump. Man, it's a 2% dump. What are you guys speaking about? A 3% dump? How the hell it's impossible to have a 3% dump? Are you crazy? Yeah, it's full of people that they don't even make the difference between a scalp, medium time frame, high time frame, and stuff like that. It's crazy. DYDX. Let's see, monthly. Well, I bought DYDX already at this $1. I posted this one on VIP on my investment sheet. On VIP, I have all my trades that I invested. I have a small, not a small, because for a lot of people they say, well, man, you invested in 50 projects, 60 projects. Well, no, I invested in around 300 of them because I started in 2022 and I got my free bags. But initially I bought here at $1. You can buy this retest around here if you get it. Well, we start a list, Grim, and you can look at Paul's live stream from weekly crypto review from the weekend. He had he made it special overview of all the crypto that all the altcoins that he's aiming with some weekly Ws. Same stuff. DYDX has a weekly W here. You can add some DYDX from that area to your bags. Let's add this one. Yeah, so 1.35 bucks. Uh, China narrative. Let's see them. You can see even the China narrative, ChFAX. Look at this pump. We have the weekly W. Actually, I think it's a monthly one. Yeah, it's a monthly W. It's there. So looking at this one, but I wouldn't buy that one necessarily. I think I would buy this one because it didn't have a retest around here or here. Not to be very um, greedy. Yeah. Neo, well, this one is pumping already. I spoke about the China narrative 3 weeks ago. I don't know how many people managed to get some China narratives portfolio there, altcoins in the portfolio, but it was there when China unbanned, and it didn't even started, I think. When they said that, okay, you have green light for crypto, actually that was the moment where when the altcoin started, because here it was. Uh, for this one, I don't know, but I would look at this area to be retested. This $11, maybe $12 to get such an aggressive dump. Low probability, but is there. It depends a lot on how strong um, the market will perform. Let's see, same stuff here with Qtum, QTMUM, same stuff you can see, nice juicy W. I would put it in this weekly FEG. Also, I mentioned the long on this one. On all the China narrative, I discussed about longing them. CKB, nice W here, retested. We have another weekly W here. Look at the retest. So I think right now it will go for the big one. And if you look at targets and we break that one, we can look. This is not confirmed yet, but I'm speaking theoretically. We can speak about a target here, or even here, or even here, or here. So I think we are still early in the phase. Yeah, you can make a 2x, 4.7x. It's more than easy to be done, I think. Okay. So if you still got a chance to buy around here, that would be a nice one on CKB. Okay. Then we look at earn. This one it's a bit weirder, but this would be the retest. And you see here it was retested already. So we can already start the expansion on earn. A lot of altcoins, they are looking like they want to start the expansive wave. IMX, same stuff here. Yeah, same stuff on IMX. You can add it to investments. The YDX I mentioned. Sushi, really nice double here. Dodo, you can see Dodo just started. I remember when everyone was hyped about Dodo. Now no one is speaking about it. And this one key, I know it had a delisting from Binance, which I don't know, some people might consider bearish, but I don't think it's necessarily bearish, delisting from Binance. Well, this one under the water still. Let's see. 0.25, not too shabby, not too risky. Okay. So someone asked about ICP. Well, everyone was ignoring ICP when we were discussing about it at $3, but now it just regained momentum and everyone's speaking about it. It's a new shiny thing, but actually it's an old one. I don't think this W will be retested, but this one at $10, I think it has a chance to dump a little bit. It's looking nice. It's looking nice, and lots of room to go up on ICP. Lots of room to go up. Okay, XMR. Well, Paul mentioned about Monero in the previous live. Yeah, Paul mentioned about Monero. You can see already. I bought here at $148, but you can look at this weekly W here. Consolidation wise, man, this one has 2 long years of consolidation. And you know the deal, you know the drill. The longer the consolidation, the stronger the breakout will be. It doesn't have too much traction, to be honest, and everyone is kind of ignoring it, not speaking about it and stuff like that. But Nibbling a 1% on XMR, not a bad idea. Just my 2 cents. Not a bad idea. FTM. Well, what do you want with FTM? We bought FTM long time ago. Long time ago. What do you want to do here? You want to look at it and be happy with your bags. Uh, let's see, weekly. Yeah, low time was around here. I'm already up big time on this one. I have like the 3x, if I'm not. I bought at 31 something here. Yeah, up big time on it. Uh, and we are confirming this huge as W, which is nice, which is really, really nice. And that would give us some targets like $4, 8.77, or even $16 targets for this one. This one is a good one, 4.8. But should I buy here with a target at 4.8? Well, that would be only a 4x for me, so I don't want to buy it here. Yeah, that would be only a 3x. I bought around here. So that's the difference between a 13x and a 3x. I mentioned this on I do sell doubles. I mentioned this one on the previous um, live, because everyone's selling. Oh, okay, but the Phantom will be going to $10. Why should I wait for your level and not buy that influencers with 70,500 followers market buy? Yeah. Well, because that's the difference between a 3x of your portfolio and the 13x of your portfolio. It's up to you how you decide, how you're making your plans, how are you trading, and stuff like that. I'm not doing, I'm not making the plans for you. You have to do your own plans. But you always have to remember that the difference between buying a good level and market is the difference between getting your portfolio, I don't know, from $10,000 to 50,000, or from 10,000 to 150,000. That's the difference. Yeah. Yeah, we have some W's now. I don't know if we'll be going back to 53 cents because we are already breaking out this one, and I don't want to touch it around here. I don't know, maybe you want some at 90 cents maximum, but I wouldn't touch it either. This W was the best one to get it here at 54 cents. Um, let's go to all the altcoins here, and maybe we can look at them. RSR, it's rampage mode. Look at this weekly candle, 51%. Well, this is what you want to see from a bull market, guys, from an alt season. This is what you want to see. And I think altcoins, they just started. They are just warming out. We already triggered this W. Paul already mentioned about it, and the targets. Buy it here? No, no, thank you. I'm not buying it here. This would be an um, ideal area to buy. Man, look at XVG. I have a bag of Verge. I bought around here at 46 area. I'm double already around here. Nice, nice pump. Let's see, Yota. Well, look at this one. This one had more of a power of 3 here because it took all the liquidity from this whole ass consolidation and then never look back. I'm not a big fan of these moves. If you have the bags already loaded, it's all right. Yeah, it's a good way to get it, but to do this now, to long anything here, no, thank you. No, thank you. I don't know. A lot of people are fans of just market buying or market selling, which is not the right way, just my 2 cents. Especially in investments. In investments, you want to wait a lot of time, like a long period of time. You'll be waiting months, you'll be waiting even years. Because I started investing in 2022 and Just now, the market started to move its ass. Get the idea. Jasmine, look at Jasmine, beautiful. I mentioned about a long on this one. Yeah, here, which is running nicely. I don't know how many managed to get this long, but look at it now. It's ripping. I mentioned this one. I framed this one on the VIP. Yeah, I know Bukur, but I don't know how many listened to me and took this long. I don't know how many, but we are printing. I'm happy. I know that you always get the trades that I'm posting. I know that you're not fucking around, but a lot of people are just ignoring them. Can someone sneeze? And you can see it's going for this high here. This is a good area to take some partial of it, partial off. Yeah, let's go on the next one. To buy it now? No, no, no. A bit too late. Maybe you might want for this retest here. If we get one at 27, yeah, maybe, maybe. Let's go to the next one. Ondo. Ondo, I posted the setup a long time ago. But I didn't have an entry. That's it. That's life. Not a problem. Next bus. Investment wise, I would wait for the same stuff here for this one. I don't know if I get my level, but you know the drill. This one we made a double, no? THR. I'm in this one. Everyone should belong in this one. Where I posted? I posted it. 1 second. THR. Yeah, long spot THR. It was at entry. And look at it now. You could have doubled your money. Nice. At some point you couldn't resist. Well, look at this one here. Beautiful one. Beautiful, beautiful one. Let me take a snippet. That's why I love trading. And not to mention AR. This one is a banger. This one was a banger. Yeah, 19.6 actually, because I found it here. Yeah, I explained to you of them 15.6. And take profit at 49 bucks. Well, we are long way from 49 bucks where I said to take profit. Yeah. Still has a lot of room to go up. Let's go on the next one. Let's go on the next one. Getting quickly. Look at vet. Same stuff here. I was speaking about it. Yeah, that's nice. Are you on Discord, Dennis? I think you are, if I'm not wrong. I remember your name. Uh, Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. I think we discussed. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Vet, I was speaking about it when we had that China narrative. Same stuff here. You can see kind of a V-shaped bottom. I'm not a big fan of this. This is TRU, but we have a nice daily W here, so we can get a retest of that one. That wouldn't be a bad idea. KDA, I already have a bag of that one. Zeal, we have a big bag of this one. At least I have. I don't know if anyone else has. I don't know if I get a weekly violation here at 18, but it's already big. I mean, that would mean a 100% dump. I have a nice bag of H bar. Um, Big time. Yeah, kind of ignoring that one. Same stuff. I have a big bag of algo. If we get a retest of this one, yeah, up to you. You can invest. You can make some money if you put some chaos levels there. Sand, it's popping out. I don't know. Maybe we get a weekly violation here. Maybe, maybe. Raven. I know Paul mentioned about this one long time ago, last month or something like that. Look at it now. It's just flying. Yeah, just tell me an altcoin that is not flying. Well, in this way, we are doing also a review of the trades that I posted on the VIP. We are long on alt. A lot of random drawings here. We have longs from 0.08 and now it's already 18. If you want to get long on this one, well, you might want to look for this retest on the weekly W. Gala, well, this was a perfect LJ here on the daily time frame. You could have taken Chetus, Bocian's project. It's doing nicely. We had a nice retest here of Chetus. I already posted some setups on for Chetus. Uh, and now we have another W. Is that a weekly? No, it's not. It's actually like a 3-day-ish W, but I would not long that one. If it goes higher, maybe I would long this order block, but that would be all. Neo, man, this one is ripping. I know some people took this long from 12 bucks and it's already almost a double. Yeah. Maker, I had a crappy long there, but didn't made it. Let's see. Yeah. Well, Dusk. I don't know if anyone is long with me on Dusk. I'm still long on this one. We nailed it with we caught the bottom on this one. If you, yeah, there you go. I can see the setup posted. The most important stuff when you take these trades, it's consistency of holding that setup. Because if you're closing it the next day, well, I don't know. But this is the setup posted, and this is the result. To buy it now, I don't know. We have a nice big weekly W here and here, so you might want to consider both of them. I like the lower one, but I already have a bag of this one, so I will not add. I have a big bag of Dusk. Dent, same stuff here. You can see. Well, I don't know. Let me know your thoughts because we are getting into an investment kind of live stream. For scalping, I'm already long on Bitcoin. 5 minutes. Yeah, It's still hovering around my entry. This is still at the entry, motherfucker. Not moving. Ain't moving. Likecoin is a rumor it will fly the cycle after long years of accumulation. Well, I think I have a big bag of Litecoin. LTC. Let's see. Yeah, I have a bag of this I bought here at 70. I have this one. Well, and it can fly. I mean, look at this monthly accumulation breakout. Yeah, that's a monthly accumulation. Look at it. Monthly huge ass W. All the altcoins are looking good. Just the idea is to use properties management and have exposure in them. Ethereum is doing nothing. Well, that's not bad because I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for my low time frame setups to trigger swing failure this low, and then I can long my longs. But you can see that actually the altcoins they don't care at all about what's going on in the market right now. They don't care at all. So this was a nice power of 3 here. I don't know if we'll get a retest of this area, but seems like the whole market is just flying, not looking bad. Chill guy. Nice weekly candle on chill guy here. We have a 4-hour W, but seems a bit premature. Power of 3. Potential head and shoulders. I don't know. Mudeng, I got nailed on this one, but next boss. CRV, man, this is one of my best bags. One of my best bags. And I bought quite a bag of this one. It's already one of the biggest bags from my portfolio due to the fact that we bought exactly here at 23 cents, 22 cents, and it's already 80, 82. I have a big bag of this one. It's almost 10% of my portfolio right now. Just because I bought like 3% here and it ripped. Well, not that they had investment. I had a good setup. I saw this big accumulation, and look at the result. Look at the result. Mbox, what is this? I heard about it. Too late right now. Same stuff with Deem. You can see this long accumulation here. I think it will pop up at some point. Yeah, I don't know. Just tell me an altcoin that is not looking good. High here, actually, it just started. You can see. So you can look at high. Exponential move up is just starting. Just my 2 cents. It will melt faces most likely. I don't want to speak about ADA. I don't have a bag of that one. BMix, I have a nice bag of BMix, and I bought at 20, yeah, 002 that area, and it's already 20, 29. I'm quite bullish on gaming, on BMix, on Peer, on Scene. We'll be going through those ones. And Peer is looking actually really nice. Let's go Peer. Yeah, there you go. We have this beautiful weekly W here. So actually, you can put the FEG violation if you don't have an order yet. You can take some Peer. Poly X, I have a bag of this one already. Well, I don't know, guys. Tell me something that is not looking good. Everything is looking good. And we waited for this alt season for a long time. I waited for about 2 years, and I think it's about the time for them to move. And we didn't even started the exponential move to the upside. This is just the weekly to monthly breakout. Also, NTRN, here we have a weekly retest, so get a bag of this one. Still at entry. Same stuff already. You can see we have a W here, still at entry. Yeah. I loaded up when PJ mentioned about the XMR. Bitcoin is still fucking around this one. Crazy. It's sorry. Still hovering around my entry. Well, most likely it will do another swing failure, will take my stop loss. Or it will go in the take profit one area here and then take my stop loss and then dump. Take my profit one, something like this. TP1, dump, go higher, something like this. Kind of a seek and destroy pattern. But you see, our focus should not be on Bitcoin right now. It's very important. Our focus should be on altcoins. And it's a bit late, but I wouldn't say too late because we can load up some altcoins still. We still have some good levels. Let me know if you have questions, guys. Regarding scalp setups, um, I'm not. I'll not be hunting anything until my setup gets triggered on Ethereum. So once I see Ethereum swing failuring this 3,500, then I will look to add to my bags. Until then, I'm just comfortably waiting in my uh, longs, as we have a lot of them. I was looking last week, I think, at RATS, RATS, and the SATS. These ones didn't yet exploded, and they are Bitcoin narrative, I think, if I'm right. So picking up from the ground some rats and sats, I don't think it's a bad idea. Let's see sats USDT. Sat it was sats Satoshis, isn't this one? But why I don't see a Max Yoraku coin? Is this a chart? Should be, I think. No. It annoys me that it doesn't have a. Yeah, this should be the one. So you can see that these two didn't yet pumped, but they look like they're ready for something. Oh, holy moly, look at this one. It was indeed a bottom here. Uh, I have a big bag of chilies and I mentioned about this one. And we are long chilies actually. Yeah, I posted this one on Swing. Pretty nice one. Pretty nice one. Well, WIF is frustrating. Why are you hunting meme coins now? It's not the environment for the meme coins. The time to make money from the meme coins, it was the whole period of, I mean, people had 1 year, 1 year, 12 months of full rallies on meme coins. Why would you focus on meme coins in this period? Why? Yeah, you want to focus on alts. That's the meta that you have right now. You want to focus on altcoins, guys. You don't want to focus on meme coins. Just let them die, let them be, and focus on meme coins, on altcoins. I mean, altcoins, they consolidated for such a long period of time. They had consolidations of 2 years, while altcoins did 100x each day. So why would you want to focus still on altcoins? Well, Seems like this one is breaking out from the weekly W. Byte. Everyone was buying it here for the airdrop, but no one is speaking about it on at 41 cents. Nice weekly W. Just let those meme coins die in peace. You get the idea. Focus on some utility plays and let those for the moment. Even this one, look at the weekly W here. Big ass accumulation. I like it. I like it. DAR. Then same stuff. TLM. I like these accumulations. RLC. Yeah, I have a bag of this one. Can't do anything right now, but it's looking good. OMG. We have a long on OMG. I'm still long on this one. I remember it. Everyone should be long with me, but no, I don't know if everyone is long with me on OMG. I posted a lot of trades in the last 2 months because I saw the opportunity and I took advantage of it. You don't get this environment on a daily basis, guys. You don't get this environment. Sats. Seems like it was 1000 sats. This one was the chart that I was looking for. And it's still consolidated. And getting an entry here, I don't think it's a bad idea, guys, for a quick 100%. Sats, I don't think it's a bad idea. Just my 2 cents. Cello, you see, we bought here at 42 cents. Cello, beautiful rally. All my investments were public, and to get them now, yeah, you can get them, but I don't think it's too late, though. I see people joining and asking, well, it's too late to join your spot challenge. Well, it's not too late. I don't think it's too late. Okay, let's go to what you guys asked about Cubic. Cubic USD. Let's get Maxi. Well, nice pump, but Cubic. Let's see, maybe we find more information on Gate.io. Yeah. Well, it's a bit too late. Cubic spot. If you want to buy some Cubic spot, you might look for this breaker block around here at this FEG at 20, 26, 25. You get the idea. But right now, I wouldn't touch it. I wouldn't touch it. Mavia. Be careful with Mavia, guys. It's just the beginning. And look at the weekly W here. We longed Mavia already. Don't ignore Mavia. Gaming, it will have its 5 minutes. Yeah, I saw KDA. I saw Cadena. Yeah, exactly. I have a big bag of Mavia. Big bag of Mavia, of PIR, of Beam X. I have big bags of those ones. Even Render, I have a big bag of this one as I bought at 3.6. I posted it for my investment sheet. We have a bag from $3.6 on Render. Metis, I posted a long on this one, I think 2 months ago, from this power of 3 here reclaim. Yes, same here. Actually, Bukur, I made an account. I have an account specially made for this scenario where I longed with no liquidation. Yeah, a lot of altcoins, a lot of altcoins. Everything that I posted actually on swing trades challenge, on my challenge, it's there. Now it's up to people how they are taking advantage of those things because I cannot execute for you guys. I mean, in DMs, a lot of people are telling me, well, I don't know how to do that, how to do that. Well, invest some time in educating yourself, guys. because otherwise, even in a period like this, you will get liquidated. You will get liquidated because you don't know how to position size, you don't know how to risk manage, and if you get a quick week to the downside, you will get liquidated, and you'll say, "Well, I tried to learn from you, man, but you have a nice LJ here. I tried to learn from you, but you want to learn in one day, not in uh, 4 months. How much Capua One is taking. So give it time. Be more patient. Invest in your education. Don't fuck around, and you will make tons of money. Actually, let me pause this one on. 6.5. Oh, all right. Um, and to be honest, this period I totally get PJ. We want to focus on trading. We want to focus on investing because that's where most of the money are coming from. That's where you make the big money. You make one trade, you get a nice move, and then you are risk free for eternity. For the bull market. Nice to see our e-gold. Look at our e-gold. The first time in my life when I bought e-gold, and I think this is Bukur laughing. Let's see. Yeah, it was Bukur. The first time in my life when I bought e-gold was here at 22. Well, I waited so many. But look at it now. We nailed it. This was the bottom. Well, nice. Yeah, a good time to be alive. Some people might say that this is the period when everyone is a trader. Yeah, it is, but if you want to really look at those people that manage to nail the local bottoms and call the local bottoms, because I repeat, you want to aim for good levels to buy. When you want to buy something, look to buy a good level. That's the difference between a 3x to 10x. And this is the period where you want to trail absolutely everything. You don't want to close manually your longs. This is crap. You don't want to close them. You want to trail everything that you have. Well, guys, let's get back on Bitcoin. I was stopped out on this one on the little scalp. Yeah, not a problem. I took a 0.25 loss here. I'm out. Let's see how the market develops. You can see this one is not a reclaim anymore. We actually deviated under and we are taking it as resistance, I'm expecting. Um, if you have any questions regarding trading, maybe you have questions regarding Discord, don't forget that we are doing this on a daily basis on Discord. Lots of setups, lots of trading opportunities um, on a daily basis are posted, are discussed. We are framing them live, and it's just a nice community to be in regarding the quality. I absolutely love it. I love waking up. I love drinking my coffee along with them and trading live with them. I just love the feeling. And take advantage of the offers because I know PJ has in plan to raise the prices. So if you want Kappa one, there is an offer right now which is giving premium to, and then you can continue in the Kappa 2. And we also have an offer for the VIP where you get 2 months at a discount of 25%. VIP, it's my trading corner. There is where I post all my ideas, everything that I'm doing and posting. It's there. Yeah. So if you want to join, you're more than welcome. Don't fade this period, guys. The upcoming months, it won't last forever, and you will be waking up in the bear market, and you'll say, "Oh fuck, I didn't had any plan." And I lost, I don't know, 50, 100,000 and stuff like that. Or you trailed all the profits in the or from the bull market to the bear market. And a lot of people will do that. I think more than half, at least, yeah, at least half. They will just trail all the profits that they did. They will trail them into the bear market. And I don't know, for me, it sounds like a nightmare. I don't know how it sounds for you, but for me, it does sound like an ugly nightmare. Uh, so if you need plans, if you want to learn how to plan and stuff like that, we are here. It just takes initiative from your side. That being said, guys, thank you very much for watching. And I'll be going with PJ in the next trading session. Um, and we'll be hearing you in the New York trading session. Thank you very much. Have a great Tuesday. And thank you very much for watching and smashing that like. If you want to join Discord, we'll be hearing you guys there. Bye bye.